Dairy herd management software is a generic term for software that stores key data across the life of individual cows, such as their birth date, mating records, lactations, health events and milk recording results, and uses this to produce reports about the whole herd. A 2018 TechKISS survey found that 79% of dairy farms in New South Wales had herd management software. All of the farms that didn't were small herds of less than 300 cows. Herd management software is routinely used on farms in the day-to-day management of cows, to generate lists for pregnancy testing or AI, or check a cow's treatment history, or to look up expected calving dates. On some farms, it's part of the pathway for automating tasks, such as auto-drafting cows when there's a health alert. But the real power of herd management software is its potential to better understand and direct what's happening in the herd. In this video, we'll cover what makes your herd management software smart, what products are available in Australia, and advice from farmers and service providers about how to make it work for your farm. Data on individual cows commonly comes from on-farm observations, the cow management technologies, and third-party services such as milk recording. Herd management software brings these data streams together for central analysis. We're calling the system smart when the data can flow between the different technologies automatically, which is not always the case. Paddock observations used to be recorded in a pocket notebook and transferred to a computer at the end of the day. Now it's also possible to enter them in real time through smartphone apps or through various systems at milking. For the individual cow sensor technologies, some products have the necessary coding in their software to send and receive data from the herd management software. It's a given that technologies from one manufacturer will work together. However, there's no guarantee that the software that controls a mix and match of product brands will be compatible. To get over this hurdle, the Australian dairy industry has been funding the development of a data vat that aims to integrate data from multiple sources. There are many services to dairy farmers that use data, the most common being milk recording. Some herd management software providers have incorporated computer code into their product to enable herd improvement organisations to directly upload test day results into the farm's herd management software. The capacity to interface with the software that runs these other systems is a major part of what makes herd management software smart. The other smart part is its functionality. The reports, actions and alerts that it generates, intellectual property that has been developed and refined over years in response to the wants and needs of dairy farming clients. The TechKISS project has listed the software packages commercially available in Australia for dairy herd management in the Tech Matrix. You can find it on the New South Wales Department of Primary Industries website. This slide shows the first page of the Tech Matrix. Technologies that have a white star and a blue circle are included in the Tech Matrix. To get to the herd management software page, just click on that tab. In 2019, there were 14 software packages on the Australian market. The first 4 entries are shown here. There's actually a wider range of products in use on farms, but some have been superseded or are no longer supported. The other columns here provide features about the packages, including what software, if any, is used in the milking shed for milk harvesting, whether data can be accessed by a smartphone app, where the data is located, whether it's cloud-based and/or locally available, and the compatible software, which lists different packages where some level of data transfer is possible. For data to be useful at the herd level, the appropriate data from individual cows must enter the system, and farmers or their service providers must be able to get information out and know how to act on it. Any shortfalls in what data comes in or what information comes out reduces the benefits that can be gained from the rich data generated by individual cow management technologies. We'll finish with some tips to help you get more from your herd software. On farms where the herd management software is needed to automate tasks, it will be important to ensure issues can be fixed in a reasonable time. Nowadays, this is a function of the level of service support you subscribe to. It's also important to keep a backstop running at all times, such as a list of treated cows on the whiteboard, for those times when the system goes down. Software programs work best when someone on farm takes on the responsibility for making them work. For herd management, this means entering cow records and generating usable reports and action lists. Then there's the IT side of things, which is the same as for any software and involves keeping the operating system up to date. Problems on a couple of the TechKISS farms were fixed by installing the latest upgrade. It also means having current antivirus software and making sure there are regular backups. This is automatic for cloud-based systems. The whole idea is to get what you want from the software. One dealership commented that, just like any computer system, none of his 50 dairy clients use their software to its full functionality. He strongly believes in training to help farmers get value from their systems and services to help quickly sort out any problems. It takes a staged approach. Once everyone is familiar with the software, it's a case of working on how to get the outputs you want and then optimising it for use on your farm. While most large dairy herds in New South Wales already use herd management packages, there will be times when you might want or be forced to change or upgrade. This is significant for the farm business as whatever you do sets you up for the next 5 to 10 years. Big ticket items to consider are whether data automatically flows to and from the other tech on the farm. This feature was made a condition of purchase on a couple of the TechKISS farms. If it doesn't, it may mean entering the same data, such as calving dates, into 2 separate systems to get sensible reports. And whether it gives you the list and reports you want. Can you modify them? For example, in some packages, the default repro alerts may not be applicable. Does it generate the metrics that your vet, nutritionist or farm consultant need to track performance and diagnose issues? Finally, does the IT functionality suit your business and location? Do your farm workers need mobile access so they can see and enter data in real time? And what happens when the internet is down? Points to help you get the most from your herd management software are summarised on a TechKISS topic sheet. You can use this to help discuss what's best for your farm when talking with your tech suppliers, service providers and other farmers. We hope this information has been useful. Other cow management technologies covered in this series include auto drafting, computerised bale feeding, inline milk meters and activity meters.